What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. We have an awesome video in store for you today. We are going to be testing out and reviewing the brand new Forte clay by Costa. Let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, today we're going to be reviewing and styling my hair with the Forte series texture clay by Costa. It actually just released yesterday. It's brand new. It's only a limited quantity, so I feel very fortunate to have been sent this product to try out for you guys. I'm very, very excited. So without further ado, let's hit the shower and wash my hair real quick before we get started. Alright, so as you can see, just washed my hair, got all the product out of it, starting fresh, and now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the clay itself. Now, I have not used this yet, as you can see, brand new, never been touched before, so I'm super excited. This is gonna be great. All right, so according to the packaging itself, this is gonna be a high hold, low shine, texture hair clay. So I'm imagining that this is gonna be very similar to like Manfrotto Claymation, maybe Ocean Clay by Shavu, something like that. I imagine it's going to be a pretty similar experience to those products. But let's go ahead and grab a bit of it. Ooh. Ooh, this is thick. Ooh, she thick. All right, doesn't really have much of a smell to it at all. It kind of just smells like wax, if I'm being honest, which is honestly a good thing. That means they're not trying to cover anything up. They're not overcompensating by making it smell super strong with fragrance. All right, and now to emulsify it. Again, this stuff feels super sticky, very, very sticky. I can already kind of tell exactly what this product is gonna do in my hair, and I know that it's gonna be a good thing. Like, sometimes you just know. Before you even try something, you just know that it's gonna be great. That's what I'm feeling right now. This is very sticky. Like, I'm having a tough time emulsifying it with how sticky it is, but that's a good thing. It means it's gonna have a very strong hold. So we're gonna start at the back of my hair, move up to the fringe, and I am gonna be styling my hair in my normal, like, messy, texturized quiff hairstyle. So I'm not really doing anything I wouldn't normally do with this product. I can already feel it grabbing a ton of hair, which is really, really good. I can tell this is gonna have an extremely strong hold. So I'm pretty psyched to see how this is gonna work out. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I mean, just look at this. This is without any heat applied to this product whatsoever. This is crazy volume right here. Quite honestly, you could leave this exactly the way that it is. You could just style it without using heat if you really wanted to because of how sticky this product is. But I'm gonna put heat through it, diffuse it a little bit, see what happens when I hit it with a hairdryer. Wow. Wow. This is solid. That looks great. Damn. All right. This is great. Honestly, this is incredible. I did get it a little bit more like clean quiff than I originally anticipated, but that's just because I can't see what I'm doing. There's no mirror behind this camera or anything. But regardless, this hairstyle came out phenomenally. Now, even though this product is really, really sticky, when you put the hairdryer on it, it softens the product up a lot, but not enough to kill the hold. Like, it feels more natural now. It feels more comfortable to run my fingers through my hair, and it still has a fantastic hold, which is absolutely essential when it comes to a good clay. You don't want it to be too heavy. You don't want to feel like you have a ton of product in your hair, and that's where this product really shines. It felt like I had a lot at first when my hair was damp, but as soon as I hit it with the hairdryer and diffused it a little bit, it softened up and it feels a lot more natural while still giving me a crazy good hairstyle with a lot of volume and hold. Now, another thing that tells me is that if I go outside in the heat, in the summertime, in the sun, this isn't going to melt out of my hair. If it can withstand the heat of a hairdryer being this close and still soften up a little bit, but not too much, it's gonna hold up in the heat, which is absolutely crazy essential. You do not want your hair to fall apart as soon as you go outside. It's not worth it. But this product definitely does not do that. I also really like the texture that it gives in the hair. It doesn't look too matte. It has a slight natural shine to it, which I appreciate, because when products are too matte, it just doesn't look right. It feels kind of gross when you put your hands in it. This feels natural. It looks natural. It gives some nice breakup here on the fringe. Like, it looks like my fingers have been run through it, which I like a lot more than just a wall of straight hair, if you know what I mean. This looks better. It looks a lot more natural. It looks a lot more relaxed, a lot more cool. And if you were to use less or even more of this product than what I use, you could achieve a completely different look. Like, I could use less of this product, go for a much more relaxed, messy version of the quiff. I could use this for a textured fringe type look. I could even use this for like a straight slick back look if I really wanted to. This product seems to be very versatile, and I definitely think that you guys should check it out if you're looking for a solid hair clay. Another thing that I want to point out is that this is a 3.4 ounce jar of product. That is not normal. Most product companies, most brands are gonna give you like maybe 2 ounces, maybe 2.5 ounces. For this to be 3.4 ounces, almost a 4 ounce jar of product, this is gonna last you a long time. I mean, there's a lot of product in here, which is absolutely essential because you don't wanna have to turn around and buy a product again 3 months later. You want this to last a little while. That was a great catch and totally unintentional. Guys, to wrap up this video, I think that Forte is an incredible product to try. I think Alex Costa did a great job executing this product. Honestly, I could not be happier with it, and I'm sure he feels exactly the same way. This is extremely high quality. It's exactly what it says it's going to be. Like I said, high hold, low shine, textured hair clay. This is all around an amazing product and an amazing value for what you get. If you guys want to check out Forte, I will have them linked for you in the description of this video. Head over there, show Alex Costa some love. I want to give a huge shout out to Forte and Alex Costa, the man himself, for sending this my way to test out for you guys. I think it's a great product, and I do highly, highly recommend it. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. If you liked the video, give it a big fat thumbs up down below. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of the video, what you thought of the hair product, and if you're planning on picking it up. And if you have not already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a video next. And I will see you guys next week. I'm out.